Most people think becoming rich is about luck, timing, or being born into money, but the truth is that it's mostly about habits. Boring, small, repeatable habits. And the crazy part? Most people already know what to do, they just don't do it. So in this video, you'll learn 5 simple money habits that actually make you rich without winning the lottery or selling your soul to a crypto coin. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe and like the video because by the end, you'll know exactly how the rich stay rich and how you can start acting like one, even if your bank account doesn't agree yet. Habit 1, know where your money goes. You can't control what you don't track. And yet, most people spend money like they're trying to lose it in a speed run. You say, I barely went out this month, but your bank statement looks like you own shares in that coffee shop. Rich people know exactly where their money goes. Every cent has a job. Broke people just hope it lasts until payday. If you tracked your spending for 1 week, you'd probably find hundreds leaking out on things you don't even remember buying. Habit 2, spend less. When you earn more, it sounds obvious. But almost no one does it. You get a raise and suddenly your needs expand like Wi-Fi coverage in a mall. New phone, new clothes, new coffee machine, and boom, your extra money disappears faster than your motivation on Monday morning. Even billionaires like Warren Buffett live below their means. Simple rule. If your lifestyle inflates faster than your income, you'll always be broke. Habit 3, automate your savings. This one's magic. You don't need more discipline, you need fewer decisions. Think of your money like calories. If you don't control it automatically, your brain will snack on it all day. Set up automatic transfers to savings or investments right when you get paid. That way, you never feel like you're losing money. You're just paying your future self first. Rich people don't try to save. They design systems that make saving impossible to avoid. Habit 4, invest but don't gamble. Let's be real. Everyone says, I'll start investing soon. Then, 3 years later, they're still researching the best time. The best time was yesterday. The second best is today. Start small. Index funds, ETFs, whatever fits your level. But please, you can't stop thinking the next random crypto will change your life. Remember your friend who called Bitcoin too risky, but then spent $2,000 on a picture of a pixelated monkey? Yeah, that guy. Risk isn't in the investment, it's in the investor. Learn what you're doing, and your money will start working harder than you do. Habit 5, stop trying to look rich. Here's the biggest trap. Most people don't want to be rich, they just want to look rich. But real wealth is quiet. Fake wealth screams, with designer logos and car payments. Mark Zuckerberg wears the same gray t-shirt every day. Meanwhile, some people spend 30 minutes deciding what to wear to a job they hate. If you can stop flexing, you can start saving. Because every status purchase delays the freedom you're chasing. So yeah, these 5 habits aren't glamorous. No get-rich-quick schemes. No overnight success, just boring consistency that compounds into freedom. The difference between rich and broke isn't intelligence, it's discipline. And discipline is just habit in disguise. Start applying these one by one, and you won't just feel richer, you'll become richer. Tell me in the comments which one of these habits you'll start today. And if you want more videos that teach money the simple way, without fake guru nonsense, hit subscribe and turn on notifications. Because next time, we're revealing where the rich are investing in 2025, and you'll want to know before everyone else does.